Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaica's cooked down chicken. Here I have some leg and thigh. I have some chopped carrots. We have some onion, thyme, sweet pepper, scallion, tomato, and some chopped garlic. You will need a pack of Maggi chicken seasoning or any other chicken seasoning or chicken spice that you like. Also all-purpose, browning, soy sauce, but soy sauce is optional, you don't have to use this. Some garlic powder and some home jerk seasoning that I blend up. So let's get to cooking. So I'm just going to start by using the chicken seasoning. And now the all-purpose. I'm going to also add some garlic powder, some soy sauce, some of my homemade jerk season. Just put like 1 teaspoon on it. Then some browning, just a little bit. Yeah, that's enough. So now I'm just going to rub all of this up. Rub it in the bone, at the back of the thigh, under the skins of the thigh. Rub it on the leg. Rub it everywhere and anywhere you think the seasoning can go. So I'm just going to let this marinate for 15 minutes and then come back. Okay guys, see you soon. Guys, I'm back and now we're going to let our oil preheat on a medium flame. We're going to fry up all of these. Hi guys, just here to give you one more tip. When you're making Jamaican cooked down chicken or Fricassee chicken, did I say that right? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But anyway, when you're making this chicken, you need to keep your stove on medium heat. So guys, We're just going to let this saute for about 2 minutes just to get all the flavors out of it. Alright? Now, you see the same bowl that you seasoned your chicken in? We're going to add some water to that. Which is this? We're just going to pour some water on that. And we're going to pour it out in the pot. That water is going to add flavor to our chicken. Okay guys, we're just going to let that boil for the next 5 minutes and then come back. Now I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of ketchup to this. And a teaspoon of sugar. We're going to give this a mix. So at this point, I'm going to add my chicken to the pot. We'll also let this boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. As well as I'm going to now add my chopped carrots. We're now going to cover this and let it simmer. So I'll see you in a bit. So hi guys, I'm back and the chicken has finished cooked. It smells amazing guys. You know, they always say ackee and saltfish is our national dish, but most Jamaican kids growing up, this is what we ate every Sunday and still do. So I think maybe it's time for them to change that national dish to some cooked down chicken. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. So there you have it guys, my Jamaican cooked down chicken. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!